I'm here on the set of my photo shoot, Muse Hair, and we are working with a lot of my extensions and wigs. And this is a textured hair extension, 16-inch texture. We love it. It's so nice and bushy on this lovely model. It's all about volume and last look hairspray. One of the things I love about the hairspray is that it's really, really flexible and it's light. It doesn't leave a lot of residue, a lot of product on it or anything like that. It's weightless, it's not sticky. It's that last look. I'm able to keep spraying and you can still like see me running my hands through her hair and it not feeling crunchy and tacky. It's just perfect. And I know it looks a little crazy right now, but when we get on set and we shoot her, you'll see how that volume really matters. And then we're gonna top it off with a wind machine. So check it out.